Let's look at this NECO question 2025. Find the value of y in figure 3.5. So this is a polygon. Now, to get this value of y, we are going to apply the formula that says exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degrees. So exterior angles of a polygon equals 360 degrees. Now let's add up the angles. We have 5y plus 4y plus 4y plus 2y plus 3y equals 360 degrees. So now, since they are all y terms, so we can add them up. So 5 plus 4, that's 9, plus 4, that's 13, plus 4, plus 2, that's 15, plus 3, that's 18. So that gives us 18y equals 360 degrees. Now, so we are going to divide both sides by 18, which is the coefficient of y. So 18 here. So that goes. So we have y is equals to. So 18. How many 18 can we get in 360? So 18 here 1, 18 here we have 2. That's 20. So the value of y is equals to 20 degrees. And if you look at the options, so the correct option is option C. I hope you got this. Like, share, and follow for more.